Hello everyone, again welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video we have discussed one question on invertible functions. In this video we will work out all the questions which are asked in your previous year question papers for 5 marks. Given function is invertible and you have to find its inverse. So directly we will go towards the problem. So in the previous video we have proved given function f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 is the invertible function and find its inverse. Okay na? In the next question we will go here. See what is given. Given that the given function f is defining from n to y, set of natural number to set y, and your function f of x is given by x square. You have to prove that this function is invertible and also you have to find its inverse. This question is asked in 2014. Directly we will go towards the solution part here. See, in the previous video I have given you the easiest steps in order to prove the given function is invertible. So again we will recap here. First you have to write what is given. So given is, given your function f is defining from set of natural numbers to set y such that f of x is provided, right? So f of x is given, write your given function f of x, then consider f of x equal to y. Let your function f of x equal to what is given, it is x square, and consider your f of x equal to what? Y, that is equal to x square here. In the next step you have to express your y in terms of x. So x anna ನೀವು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Here I can write y is equal to x square, or I can write x square is equal to y. In other words, I will write x is equal to square root of y. Okay, now here I have not taken plus or minus because minus is not at all negative number, because here all your x value belongs to your set of natural numbers and your y is belongs to y where it contains natural numbers, right? So positive number irodrinda I have not considered minus. So I will get finally x is equal to square root of y, and in the next step write your x as g of y, because illodi I have taken y is equal to what? F of x alva. So inverse find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, so I will write this as f inverse of y, that is equal to x. So x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನಿಮ್ಮ inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That x is your inverse of function f. So f inverse is will denoted by what? G function, that is g of y, that is equal to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That's what, whenever you got your x, write it as g of y, that is equal to root of y. So you have to take out your given function f of x as equation number 1 and g of y as equation number 2. Clear? So in the further step, in order to prove the given function is invertible, I had told you two conditions you have to check out. One is gof and another one is fog alva. So gof is equal to x anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ and fog is equal to y anta prove ಮಾಡಿ, then definitely your function will be invertible. Clear? So we'll work out on this. So ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, f of x is given, g of y we have found. So next step, see, consider your gof function. So gof is equal to, already I told you gof can be written as f ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ x ಜೊತೆ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ g of f of x ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಸೊ gof ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ as g of f of x. Clean? So again that is equal to g of f of x equal to, so f of x ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ given function ಅಲ್ಲಿ your f of x is x square ಇದೆ. ಸೊ g f of x equal to ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. In the next step I will write that is equal to, see, g of x square ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ we have g of y equal to root y ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ in place of y you have to write x square. So g of x square. Clear? So g of y ನಲ್ಲಿ in place of y you have to write x square, because we need g of x square alva. So we need g of x square ಅಂದರೆ y place ನಲ್ಲಿ you have to write x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what we will get here finally? So g of x square is equal to, so g of y ಏನಿದೆ root y ಇದೆ, that is root of y. So in place of y you have to write what? X square. So that is equal to root x square, that is equal to square root square cancel agibittu remaining will be what? X. So you have got g of a function is equal to what? X. Say it as equation number 3. Okay na? In the next step, consider fog function. Fog is equal to, you can write fog, I already told in the previous video, fog can be written as f of g of y. So I already told you g end agide alva, so g is already related with what? Y. That's what you have to write, it is g of y. So I will write here. So easy the steps, so just go through this once again, you will definitely find the answer. So f of, in place of g you can write g of y. Okay, and that is equal to f of, so g of y value na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See what is your g of y here? So I got g of y is equal to root y ಇದೆ. So in place of g of y you have to write root y. Clear? So next, see here, g of y is equal to root y. Now it is in the format of what? f of x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So f of x equal to already ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? x square ಇದೆ, right? f of x equal to x square ಇದೆ. We need f of root y. Clear? That is equal to, in place of x ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು root y ನ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That's it, root y whole square. In other words, f of root y ಅಂದರೆ f of x ನಲ್ಲಿ x place ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು g of y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? So f of x equal to what? Root x square ಇದೆ. So in place of x you have to write root y whole square. Clear? So x square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So in place of x ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು? root y ನ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is equal to, I already shown you here, f of x equal to x square ಇದೆ, x place ನಲ್ಲಿ root y ಹಾಕಿ you will get the answer. So here square root square get cancel, remaining will be what? Y. Therefore you got fog is equal to y. Clear? So take this as equation number 4. So I had told you, if you show gof is equal to x and fog is equal to y, then your function f of x will be what? Invertible, right? Therefore conclusion you have to write, from equation number 3 and 4, gof is equal to x and fog is equal to y. Therefore the given function f of x is invertible. f of x is invertible, hence there exists its inverse. There exists inverse, f inverse, that is equal to g of y. That is equal to, so g of y ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, root y ಇದೆ. So g of y is equal to root y, which is the inverse of your function f. So ಇಷ್ಟು easy steps. If you follow these steps, definitely you will get easily 5 marks in your examinations alva. So there are only 6 questions on invertible functions. So if you find these steps, definitely you can follow. Another method ide, but no problem, this will be the very easier one, you can go for it. Okay, so next step hogana illi. Before that, take a screenshot, we'll go towards next question. So 10th one, so which is asked in March 2015 and 2016, 18 and again 2018 supplementary question paper. So another question, same method follow ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Same given data ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. What is given? Your function is defining from set of all positive real numbers to an semi closed interval 4 to infinity ಇದೆ. So given your function f is defining from set of all positive real numbers to semi closed interval 4 to infinity ಇದೆ, given by, right? What is given here? Consider your function f of x. Consider your function f of x is what? It is x square plus 4 ಇದೆ. f of x is equal to what? x square plus 4. And write your f of x. In the next step, write f of x is equal to y. Already you know this. ಸೊ y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x square plus 4 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. In the next step convert y in terms of x. ಸೊ x ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು. See what to do. So y is equal to x square plus 4. If I shift plus 4 here, it become minus 4. So y minus 4 is equal to x square, or you can write this as x square is equal to y minus 4. In other words, x is equal to root of y minus 4. Square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, you have to put square root on both side. Definitely you will get x equal to root of y minus 4. Clear? So next, see what we have to do here. After writing x, immediately you write, take it x as what? G of y. I already told you. So x ಅನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, g of y, that is equal to what is there? Root of y minus 4, right? So now you write your g of y. You have g of y function and your f of x function in your hand. Clear? So take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. See, after this you need to find two conditions. One is GOF, another one is fog. In the previous video I already told you how to find GOF and fog. So first I will consider your GOF function. Clear? Consider GOF, g of f. So that is g of f of x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ f is always connected with what? x ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you can write GOF is equal to g of f of x, that is equal to g of f of x value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, you have to write your f of x value. So f of x value is already given, that is x square plus 4 ಇದೆ. Clean? So f of x is equal to x square plus 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Then you have to check out, that is equal to, see, g of x square plus 4 ಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ you have to go for g of y. So g of y ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು in place of y you have to write x square plus 4. Then only will get g of x square plus 4 ಅಂತ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ g of x square plus 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y minus 4 ಇದೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ y minus 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ in place of y you have to write x square plus 4, that is x square plus 4. So this will be in the format of what? Root of y minus 4. Clear? Again plus 4 minus 4 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, remaining will be what? Root of x square. Again root square will get cancelled, remaining will be x. So that is you will get GOF function. The composition of g and f will give you x. Take it as equation number 3. In the next step, find your fog function, right? So fog is equal to, you can write this as f of g. G is always connected with what? Y ಇದೆ, therefore you write g of y. Clear? And that is equal to f of g of y value. See here, what is your g of y value is given already here. So your g of y value from equation number 2, it is root of y minus 4 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So I will write g of y value, that is root of y minus 4. Clear? So next continue as usual. So you will got f of root of y minus 4, that is equal to, so ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, f of x ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ f of x ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ x square plus 4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ x you have to write root of y minus 4. So what is there? f of x. See, I will show here, f of x equal to ಏನಿದೆ, x square plus 4 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ f of, in place of x I will write root of y minus 4. ಸೊ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, root of y minus 4 whole square plus 4, in nothing but f of x ನಲ್ಲಿ wherever x is there you write root of y minus 4. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, it is root of y minus 4 ಅಂದರೆ x square ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ root of y minus 4 whole square plus 4. This is in the format of what? x square plus 4 ಅಂದರೆ f of x ಫಾರ್ಮೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. That is equal to square cancel ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು you will get only y minus 4 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is remaining? It is y. So you got fog is equal to y. So ತುಂಬಾನೇ easy step ಇದೆ. If you have a little patience, definitely you will get your 5 marks. That you on invertible functions. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎನ್ವಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 marks ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 1 and on 2 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅದೇ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಿಂದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 5 marksಗೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸಿಲಿ 10 marks ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 5 marks 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ you have to work out this. Okay, so now from equation number 3 and 4, from equation 3 and 4, your function f of x is invertible function. F of x is invertible function. Hence if the function is invertible, then there exists inverse of f which is given by g of y, that is f inverse function, that is what? Root of y minus 4. Root of y minus 4. g of y ಅನ್ನೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f inverse ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if you write this much, definitely you will get your 5 marks. Okay, so take a screenshot of this. We'll find next question. So these questions are asked in previous question paper, so check out this. So I will move towards the next question here again. So one more question is here in March 2016, March 2017 and model question paper 2022 issued by your PU board. So we'll see. Most expected question kuda ide idu. Same kind of workout ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See what is given here. Given function, given that the function f is defining from set of natural numbers to set of real numbers such that your f of x is provided, that is f of x is equal to quadratic polynomial ಇದೆ, that is 4x square plus 12x plus 15 ಇದೆ. Okay na? So now the difficulty is what? In order to express your y, so to find your x, this will make you little bit tough task here. So ಅದನ್ನು ಈಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಿಂಗ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೊ ಈಸಿ ವೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಒನ್ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೇ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 times ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ದ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್? 12. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ 12 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 times ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ 4, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12 square is 144 and 4 into 4 is what? 16. So if you cancel it out, 16 ones are 16 nines are, so you will get 9. So after simplifying ಯಾವುದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, therefore your given function f of x again rewritten as 4x square plus 12x. So after adding giving the value here plus 9 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so just you add the 9 and subtract the 9 without disturbing your original function f of x. Okay na? So after ಈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15 ನೀವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ ಅವರು, you can easily go for these steps. So what is the formula? The number what you should add and subtract will be given by middle term na square ಮಾಡಿ divided by 4 times of first term ಅನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? So your f of x is again given by, simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 4x square plus 12x plus 9 ಅನ್ನು ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4 x square can be written as 2x whole square, right? And the here symbol is what? Plus. So if it is plus you write plus, if it is minus you write minus. Okay na? And the last term ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 9 ಇದೆ, it is also square of what? 3. So totally I can write this as 2x plus 3 whole square. So ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು expand ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will get 4x square plus 12x plus 9 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. And the remaining part is what? 15 minus 9. So 15 minus 9 will be what? Plus 6. Now you take this as your original function f of x as equation number 1. Clear? So ಈ f of x ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 ಅಂತ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then in the next step, as I told you, write your f of x as what? Y. So y is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. So in order to find x plus 6, you shift here, you will get y minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Okay. Then or you can rewritten as 2x plus 3 whole square is equal to y minus 6. Other words, if you put square root on both sides, you will get 2x plus 3 is equal to square root of y minus 6 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Then 2x is equal to root of y minus 6 plus 3. I will shift here, it becomes minus 3. And again you will get your x value. Your x is equal to root of y minus 6, and this into 2 becomes what? Here it is divided by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So finally you got your x is equal to what? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 whole divided by 2. After finding x, write that x as what? G of y. Clear? So x is equal to ನೀವೇನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? G of y ಅಂತ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is what your G of y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So G of y, please back to the problem here. So G of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Clear? Then take this as equation number 2. Okay, so G of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. Then in the next step, I already told you, find your fog function and gof function. Okay na? Fog is equal to y ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, gof is equal to x ಅಂತ ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the given function will be what? Invertible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we'll find the things now. See how to prove this. So first I will find here gof function. So gof is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You can write this as g of f of x. Clear? So g of f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Wait a minute, we'll erase the unwanted things here that I can get some space. So g of f of x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? You have to write f of x value, then insert the value of f of x in g of y value. That's it is. See, so g of f of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is equal to g of, what is your f of x value here? Here your f of x value from the equation number 1, it is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That is 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 ಇದೆ. Close the bracket here. So what we did, in place of f of x, here I have written f of x value. Clear? Next, so this is in the format of what? G of something ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That is g of y ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? G of y. G of y is equal to root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So wherever y is there, you have to write 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. So we'll go for this, that is root of y. So y is nothing but your 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. This is your root of y value ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ minus 6. This is completely y value, that is root of y value. So g of y value nalli ನೀವು wherever y is there just write 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Okay na? So I have written y value minus 6, then you write minus 3. Okay, whole divided by ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, so I will write 2. After simplifying here, plus 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled, and then what is left? Root of 2x plus 3 whole square minus 3 whole divided by 2. Again here square root and square will get cancelled, so what is the remaining? That equal to 2x plus 3 minus 3 divided by 2 ulite. Again plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled, again 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, remaining will be what? X. In other words, you have got gof is equal to x. Gof function is equal to x anta sigutte. Take this as equation number 3. In the next step you have to find your fog function. Okay na? So fog can be written as f of g of y. Clear? F of g of y. Here what we have to do, see g of y value ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ f of g of y value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Here I got from equation number 2 g of y value is root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. See here what I will do. F of g of y is what? Root of y minus 6 minus 3 whole divided by 2 anta ide. Clear? Now that is equal to, so whatever the value you got, f of root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2, now you have to go with f of x function. So f of x ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 2 times of x place ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು root of y minus 6 minus 3 divided by 2 ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 times of x. ಸೊ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? root of y minus 6 minus 3 whole divided by 2. That is 2x, 2 times of x plus 3 whole square ಇದೆ. Clear? 2 times of x plus 3 whole square. Clear? So this is completely 2x plus 3 whole square format ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 6 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So you have to write plus 6 extra there. That is plus 6. Here in downside I will write. Now you have to simplify. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. After that here minus 3 and plus 3 will get cancelled. Remaining will be what? Root of y minus 6 whole square ide. See whole square. Next is what? Plus 6. Again square root square will get cancelled. Then remaining will be what? Y minus 6 plus 6. Here minus 6 and plus 6 will get cancelled. Remaining will be what? Y. So finally you got fog function is equal to y. Clear? Now you have to take this as equation number 4. So from equation number 3 and equation number 4 you can write your f function. F is what? Invertible. Your function f is invertible, and your g of y will be the inverse. Your g of y will be the inverse of a function f ಅಂತ conclusion ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is how you need to prove the things. Better you have to go through once again. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 100% 5 marks ನಿಮ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Just go for it. Okay. So these are the questions. You can work it out. Will we meet you in the next video. Again 5 marks fixed questions. So repeat the video and practice it. Okay. take a screenshot of this. We'll move towards next thing.